your homeworks, if you have any homeworks that you're missing or something like that, get those done. Make sure you get those done by Friday if you want a grade. If you don't want a grade, then don't get them done by Friday. If you already got a grade, then you don't have to do it. Okay with that? All right. This is one of the few times we're actually going to review for an exam. And not only want to review, we're going to review 2 days for it. So we're reviewing today, and we're reviewing Wednesday. Okay? We want you prepared for this test. Very few times we can do that. Not only very few times do we review, very few times do we actually give you a review. I know the philosophy of what the heck's all the homework for if we're not. If the homework's not going to review for the test, what the heck are we doing it for? So that's why we have the homework to prepare you for the test. However, this time we have reviews. We have more reviews than I think we could possibly ever want, which is a good thing for you. Okay? So this is your task for, I'm going to give you both days, Friday and Wednesday. You got a week to prepare for this test. Not the easiest thing in the world. It's not unvaluable. Right? I mean, it's very, very possible to do an A on it, but it's also very possible to do an F on it. So it's kind of up to you to make sure you do. It is not, it's not the easiest thing. I don't think you can walk in and do that. There are some very, very tricky multiple choice questions. You have to be careful. Be very, very careful. Okay? All multiple choices have 4 choices. They have 4. Typically, 2 of them are really wrong. So 50-50 guess will be 2 right. You have to just be very, very careful. They're going to set you up for some type of a farm home, and they're going to tell you something about it. It's always increasing 100 points of inflation on it. You need to do everything. Some of them are easy. Don't get me wrong. Some of them are easy, but some of them are not. We have to separate A's and B's and C's and D's. If it wasn't easy, you know, like A's and that doesn't challenge your brain. It's not like a B's and it's going to make it possible. So that's what I hope. So here's what I'm going to be getting you. I backed up this seat, I can't get anywhere. I'm going to give you, what is this? Whoops. This is worksheet B, 1.1 through 1.6. Worksheet B. This one is worksheet A, 1.1 through 1.6. Thank you. So A and a B, and they're almost identical. Graph, 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 graph. Ask me all kinds of stuff. It doesn't go in order. Well, maybe it does. I don't even know. I didn't look at it. So that's an A and a B. This says circuit training. This is like practicing stuff with your calculators. That's probably the weakest point of anything because I really haven't done much of anything with your calculators. And so that's one that I want to, let's see, how do I say it? I don't know what you do know or what you don't know about your calculators. You're going to, so the test is multiple choice and free response. And it's a calculator and a non-calculator. So we give it to you, it's on your Chromebooks. You gotta have your Chromebooks. You gotta have your Chromebooks next Friday. Right? You gotta have those. We run Go Guardian and we run it, it's on Elastic. The only difference between it and the AP exam is you can go back to the multiple choice on our test. We give you a free response and we give you the multiple choice. We give you the calculator section first. And you actually got a calculator button up there that you can use Desmos with, or you can use your calculator, I don't care. And then at some point you say, put your calculators up. You can't use them anymore, and you have to close the calculator section and open up the non-calculator section. And it has a free response, and it has some multiple choices. It's exactly half of the AP. AP it's gonna take 3 hours, we get an hour and a half. But we're also just, what do we get, 1/6 of it. One, two, 1/6. So calculated questions. Okay, you know, get comfortable with the calculator and how to graph, how to find maxes and mins. You cannot find points of inflection with the calculator. Don't worry about trying to find points of inflection. You need to know maxes and mins. You need to know, I guess if you know maxes and mins, you know maxes and ranges. So in the circuit train, number 1 has a question. And then the answer is like on the upper left. And so you look for the answer on one of these other problems. And when you find that answer, you do that question. When you find that answer, you do that question. You kind of bounce around. So at least let you know if you're getting it right or wrong. If you don't get any of those answers, you got it wrong. And when you get done, you should have completed all 2, 4, 6, 8, 12 questions. You don't complete all 12 questions. Becoming something. Use your calculator to complete the first problem in the space provided. Add your answer correctly to 3 decimal places after the decimal. Find your answer among the choices. Put number 2 in that blank. Work that question and proceed in this manner until you finish. When you evaluate number 1, you find that answer, you put, instead of number inside of blank, you put number 2. Okay? So, today, that's my plan for you guys, is to work through as much of this as you want to. There are 2 more, maybe 3 more, but I know there's 2 more. Worksheet A and B with a C and a D. I'll post those on Classroom. I think that the teacher could take grades. Truthfully, I don't care if you do any of it or not. Truthfully. You don't do any of it, so guess what's going to happen? You're not going to do it. Right? If you do all of it, you still may or may not do it. But I haven't decided. But my guess is you guys. So, A and B circuit training today. Okay with all that? Wednesday. We're going to do some stuff in AP Classroom. So if you're not in AP Classroom, I'll check on that for sure, but you've got to be in AP Classroom. Tuesday, we're going to do some stuff in AP Classroom. We'll do some concept checks. Those are questions more like you're going to see on Friday. I somewhat expect you guys to work together with those because, again, those are not easy questions. And I think you guys work together talking about that is more advantageous to you than you trying to do it by yourself. Okay. That's not for a grade, but you want to get a grade. Let's get a couple of them right. I'm just great for it. You must have seen one of them. So today, focus these 3. And you decide whichever one you want to do. And if you want to work with your little group right there, that's fine. And if you want to check with the group next to you and see what their answer is, or if you find out that none of you guys can do it, and you find somebody that can do it, you find that person and do that. Yippee-yippee-yo. That's how we plan. Anybody got a question about anything? Everybody okay? So 1.6, if you want to do that worksheet, let me know. But you'll see some of those in here too. And I really think, I know you're up to do teachers. And it's just polynomials, so you don't have to worry about exponentials or rationals right now. They're either going to bins or negative bins. Okay. All right, I'm going to hit stop. That was that lesson.